Alright, throw it in it now. Throw it in the middle of the volcano cone. Good job. Alright. Take out that EJ. That's not our aim. Throw the baking soda in it now to see if it will erupt. Alright, throw the rest of this on it now.
Don't let me do it.
Don't throw it a lot. Stop. Don't throw anything on it yet. Look at that, Age. Look.
Oh no. Ready?
Alright, Ants.
Oh no. A four is rubber. Come on, guys. A four is rubber. Come on, guys. A four is rubber. Come on, guys.
What is it?
It's a full rubber.
What is that, lava? So it's a volcano. Let's have it erupt again.
Oh no. No volcano.
You know, if it was a real volcano, you couldn't be so close to it because it will melt you. Okay?
Okay.
Because it's an experiment.